Do you want a nut, huh? Here you go. Here you go. Take it. Here. I'll set it right there. Did you get it? Oh, you dropped it. Here. Gotta try. Here you go. Wanna get it? There you go. Yes. Oh, you dropped it again. Silly baby. Silly girl. You're a fat little girl. Yes, you are. Look at you. You're so fat. Ooh. Got your fluffy tail. Whoops. Okay, whoops. Here, hold on. I'm going to put you in here. No, not this way, the other way. We're going to put you in this way, okay? Here, go to your branch. Here you go. Go to your branch. Okay. See, this isn't working. See, I want to put you back in. There we go. There you go. It's back in your cage. That's it. Good baby. He says, no, I come back out. Pretty soon you'll be a big squirrel running free with all the other ones. Okay. Night-night.